all have some friends who eat like horse, but still they manage to keep their bellies or tummies flat. We always think that they have a faster metabolism. We even go on cursing them when they flaunt the best of dresses that we dream of wearing, but our bulging tummy never allows. Sometimes we even think that how can God be so unfair that these people are always slim but we are always fat. But you might be excited to know that if we make certain small changes to our daily habits, we can definitely become slimmer and stay like these people. So let's find out what habits make these people forever slim. Hello friends, this is Sanket and I welcome you all to Jogger Dada, Bengal's first food and fitness channel. And today we are going to talk about some of the small habits that have been the secrets for the forever slim people. First, these people choose satisfaction over hunger. If we put hunger on a scale, these people generally stop at 6 or 7 when it is from 1 to 10. But we always stuff ourselves. Our range goes above 10. It's almost 11 or 12. We should understand the difference that when we are stuffed up and when we are full. This habit is not very difficult to inculcate because our brain takes generally 20 minutes to get a signal that stomach is full. So if we start eating slowly, then after 20 minutes, if we are done, our stomachs will definitely send a signal to the brain and we can stop stuffing. This way we can definitely eat a bit less. Secondly, make peace with occasional hunger. If you start noticing these forever slim people, you will find out that they never panic when hungry. They never fear when there is no food around. Judith Beck, a cognitive behavior therapist, thinks and also suggests that there is nothing wrong in skipping a meal or two. So preferably lunch you can definitely skip, and this will train your body to control anxiety during hunger spurts. Also this way you can control your hunger and not let the hunger control you. But you can follow this if you are not under any medical condition, especially like diabetes. The third point is focus elsewhere. If you start noticing the habits of the forever slim people, you will find out that these people start conversations in the dining table. And obviously they take their time to eat the food. They move their passions somewhere else other than from the dining table and into something else other than food. You will be astonished to find out that most forever slim people, they do not have their hobby as cooking or eating food. This simple change will definitely help us, and we can always restrict ourselves and move into the direction of these forever slim people. The fourth point is move your bodies. The forever slim people are always on the move. They cannot stick to a particular position. Even in their jobs, they will be here for some time, the next moment you will see them there, and they are constantly moving themselves. 10,000 steps is not very difficult to complete. You can track using a pedometer. You can use wearable gadgets that will help you tracking the steps, and this way always try to complete your 10,000 step goal. The fifth point, make a habit of drinking a glass of water when you are hungry first. Why? Because our body sometimes senses thirst as a feeling of hunger. So after we drink a glass of water, we won't feel that much hungrier. So make this habit. Make a habit of drinking a glass of water 10 minutes or 20 minutes before your meals. You will find out that you will be consuming lesser. That's all for today's video. Make sure to hit the thumbs up button if you liked it. Please, please, please share this with everyone you know. Until the next video, bye bye and stay healthy.